In a world that had grown forgetful of goodness, there lived a kind and faithful man named Noah. God saw Noah's good heart and decided to give the world a fresh start. God told Noah to build a giant boat called an ark because a great flood was coming. Noah, his family, and two of every kind of animal, a boy and a girl, would be safe inside. Noah did exactly as he was told. He built the huge wooden ark, and soon animals of all shapes and sizes began to arrive. Elephants, lions, birds, and tiny insects all marched peacefully into the ark, 2 by 2. Once everyone was safely inside, the rain began to fall. It rained for 40 days and 40 nights until the whole world was covered in water. But inside the ark, Noah, his family, and all the animals were safe and dry. After many months, the water slowly went down. The ark came to rest on a mountain, and Noah sent out a dove to find dry land. When the dove returned with an olive leaf, Noah knew it was safe to come out. As they stepped onto dry ground, they saw a beautiful rainbow stretching across the sky. It was a promise from God that he would never flood the entire earth again. Noah, his family, and the animals began their new life in a fresh, clean world.